Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do your TurboTax. First, gather all your essential tax documents like W-2s and Form 1099. Then, choose the TurboTax product that best suits your filing needs, whether it's for simple returns or more complex situations. Finally, create a new account or log in if you're a returning user to begin the process. This ensures a smooth start to your tax preparation. Next, accurately enter all your income details. Start by inputting your W-2 information from your employer, which is usually straightforward. For other income, like freelance work or interest, enter the details from your Form 1099. Don't forget to report any investment income from forms such as 1099B or 1099DIV. TurboTax guides you through each step, making sure nothing is missed. Now, it's time to maximize your savings by finding all eligible deductions and credits. TurboTax will ask questions to help you identify deductions that reduce your taxable income, such as student loan interest or IRA contributions. It also helps you claim valuable tax credits, which directly lower the amount of tax you owe. This step is crucial for optimizing your refund or minimizing your tax due. Finally, thoroughly review your entire tax return for any errors or omissions. TurboTax performs a comprehensive check to ensure accuracy before you file. Once confident, you can choose to e-file your federal and state returns directly through the platform. Then, select how you'd like to receive your refund or make any payments, completing your tax filing process efficiently and securely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.